Hey, welcome back, everybody, to part
3
of creating templates with our favorite app. We've had a couple people ask us what we use, so
Gamma.app.
I'm gonna go ahead and let the princess take over.
No. No. But we will hand that crown on over to Gamma.app, as I do not wear one. Anyways, Gamma.app, we're going to try to do the paste in text for holistic well-being. We did start in ChatGPT in our last presentation. ChatGPT quite didn't get where we wanted. It did, but it got really specific. And what we're trying to do is actually have it show the presentation, copy, paste it in the text, and let's see what Gamma can do with that. So far, the generating feature of Gamma is just bar none.
Yeah.
I love it. I love what it provides. And if the paste in text doesn't work this round, then we're just going to get right into generate with the prompt. So I started out with ChatGPT. Please research holistic well-being and motivation for healthy lifestyle, and list the top 25 trending topics. So it gave me these some really great topics. Now I'm going to try to do the prompt again. And let's see if we can get the result this time. Thank you. And now, please act as an expert in holistic holistic healthy lifestyle coach, and present to a group of like-minded adults. And then let's see what comes of that. Hopefully it'll give us a presentation this time, because this time we're not asking for it to give us the slides. We're asking it to present to us. And let's see what, and talk about the trends. It's going to give us the trends. And we did say 25 in our presentation with Gamma. I believe the max slides is 25. So if it does give us 25, we're going to trim it out. And we'll just go from there.
Correct.
And then let's see what it turns into. And it is giving us some really good results here. And lifestyle changes, awesome. And a conclusion, even better. So far, so good. I'm liking where it's going this time. This is what we tried to do last time.
Yeah.
Didn't quite turn out. I like this, the top trends, lifestyle changes, and a conclusion. I'm just going to hit copy. I'm not going to try and highlight this myself. I'm just going to hit copy. I'm going to go into Gamma. I'm going to go into paste into text. So this is the fun part. If you already have this done, you can just paste it in. If you've got the other one where you have it already written up, you can add that as well. So we're going to hit paste. We want a presentation. Now, I'm going to tinker with this as a bonus at the end of this. I might completely just bomb it, but I want to see what a web page looks like.
Yep.
I'm very interested in seeing what that's going to look like. But let's go ahead and hit presentation, and let's see what that looks like first. So for all of you out there that have the, so it gave a prompt editor. So this is new, right? You haven't seen this part. We're going to stay in free form. The reason why free form is we want to see how many slides. We're telling it we want 8 cards. We said 12 in our last one.
Yep.
So we're going to try for, it says 6. So let's go for 10. 10? Want to go 10? Yeah. We'll go for 10. It's a nice short little slideshow. And we'll go from there. Can we go more? Yeah, we could go more.
No,
how many? One, there's 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I think we should stick at 10. Let's go ahead and hit continue on that. All right, I'm going to stay in the tranquil. Let's do tranquil. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well-being, looks tranquil. Why not? All right, sure. And then we can always change it up later if we don't like it. All right, let's
go for it.
Go for it.
Look at that.
I like the colors. It's, it's light. Now for a presentation, you cannot, now it does do this. Don't worry about it. It does do this little thing, but it's because it's trying to generate so fast that the page just kind of gets a little glitchy. But it does look good when it comes to presentation. When it's complete, it's all the images are there for you. I already see some images onto the left side here that I'm already liking. I think it kind of goes, yeah, it does a good job of giving you what you want. Even more so than in the PowerPoint using Copilot. I have seen some good results there. Again, that's coming up here soon. Done rendering. Let's go ahead and hit present, and we'll start from the top and see what it looks like. I do see a couple of slides that don't have any images at all. So let's go ahead and go to the top here. Yeah, look at that. That's a pretty nice image. I dig it. I really do. I dig it. Healthy trends. We can always add pictures in here. Again, we can always add pictures in here. Now, for those of you that don't know what that means, you're like, okay, wait, you say add pictures, but I don't see any pictures. How do you do that? So let's go ahead. There's this little palette that you'll want to look into. And then we'll go ahead and see what it does. So let's see if it will allow us to add a picture here. And it does. Okay, so cool. The picture above already has a picture. We can stay on that. We can go right. You can change it up a little bit if you want. I do like the left. And you're like, okay, but hey, it's not the same size as the one above. Look at that. Now it is. That's simple. I don't need a ruler. I don't need a snap to guide. I don't need all of that craziness. I can just look at it, lines it right up. I'm like, okay, well, that's great, but I hate the picture. All right, fine. We'll go find you a new picture. All right, easy enough to do. So we're going to stay in the theme of the generation with the AI because it's been doing such a good job. And let's see what happens. It already has some prompts in there for you. And let's and look, it already has images we can choose from, but let's have it give us some more. And we want to go portrait this time. Those are square. Maybe stay in the default. You want to stay default? Stay default. Okay, fine. We'll hit generate and let's see what happens. It just takes a minute. It's going to take your scene and it's going to create some things. Now you can change those prompts. That's something to remember. Correct. Not too shabby. No. All right. So here's something that you may not know about this. And again, this is with Gamma.app. They are not a sponsor. So let's go ahead and click on here. There's this little dot. You can move it around. You can say, hey, you know what? I like more of the plant, or hey, I like a little bit more over here, kind of like half a moon, more plant, or you just get back into the dead center of things and say, okay, right there. And we're going to be teaching more of this in our community where you get content and classes for free. We will be having some up and coming classes as well that will be going live if you want to join us there to learn more about business development, personal development, and using the AI tools and resources to make your life and your business easier. We're going to go ahead and scroll down. And again, we did the one picture there. We'll go ahead and do a quick picture here. Oops, don't do that. Get on this slide here. This is the slide we want to be on. There we go. We want to go ahead and create card. We're going to see what we have for top. Oh, cool. Fantastic. We're going to go in the top position here for a picture and go very quickly on this. And then we're just going to accent. And this time we're going to go to unsplash and we're going to put in, we'll just go exercise.
Or water.
Water? You want water?
Still water.
Okay, fine. We'll get a water scene for you. Right. We want to load more, just a couple more pictures here, something that might look healthy. Sure, why not? We'll just, looks kind of holistic to me. Nature-y. I love nature. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get out of this. The image is, it's all right. Could it change? Yeah, but for time, we're just going to kind of do a quick trim here. Reset it. There you go. A little bit of water.
That's cool.
Actually looks kind of cool. Some fruit, empowering, holistic transformation, revitalizing minds. You can, again, add some quick pictures in there, add some pictures in here. So it does do a really great job of providing you pictures, graphics. You can change this. I did do this on my last video, but just in case you're like, you know what? It's great and all, but I really preferred that Borealis, the little bit of the darker tone. So, okay, fine. Let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. And it's going to change it for you.
There you go.
And now it's done. So if you like this better, then there you go. Me personally, I really dug the other one. So sorry for all you out there. They're like, yeah, I love it. It's awesome. I don't. I'm going back to the light theme. A little bit more of that Zen tranquil. Let's see. I'll give you a little bit of the green. I'll give you want Dune or vanilla. Pick your flavor.
Vanilla. Just go vanilla.
All right, we're going to go. This is a new one. All right. That's nice. That's nice. I like it. And also, as you notice, it changes out those fonts. And to the right, you can also you can change out your text as well. So if you're like, what the heck just happened? You have lots, as you can see, a lot of resources and capabilities to make something super easy in less than just a couple minutes. Also changing out images, which we will go more in depth for you later. If you have a topic that you want to see a slideshow presented on, just comment in the comments below, or just join us in our community where we go more, again, further in depth in personal business development utilizing AI tools and resources. So cheers to you, and here's to you until next time here at Coffee Sometimes Tea.
Thanks, guys, for joining.